Hi, my name is Sashrika Das and I'm here with another project, MCube. So I made this cute little box for my mom for Mother's Day because I wanted to create a unique techie little gift for her. So basically, say you're off to college or you're very far away from your mom and you want to send her any image or message to her, you can use this little box to do that. But you can also do that with social media. But if you use this little box, it can have a special effect to your messages. So I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to restart this to show you. So originally, when it's connecting to the Wi-Fi, it will turn yellow when it will try to connect. And then after it is connected to the Wi-Fi, the LED will turn white. And then originally when you're turning this on, this is what will display onto your little display. And then when you get a message, it will turn into a different color, which I will show you in this demo. So my dad has helped me with this Python program. So I'm going to send my mom a little image of me and my dad. So I'm going to start that. All right, now I'm going to start that program. All right, so now it buzzed and the LED turned pink whenever you receive a message or an image. Now let's see the little surprise in the box. I hope you like this project and I hope you will do something similar for your mom on Mother's Day. Bye.